It's good that we don't have to worry about points and all that stuff and just cruise around, and everyone's going to be going crazy, I guess.
I think it's a great concept. It kind of gives everybody equal opportunities, so that's pretty good.
This is a great way for everyone to kind of show what they got. You don't have the pressure of just doing it in one heat. You have 5 chances at doing something cool, so I think, I've got to be able to do at least one cool thing today.
It's not too serious, you just paddle out there and have a bit of fun and try to boost some airs. It's fun, yeah.
I guess you're not really versing the people that's in your heat because you just got to do the trick that's spun up. So it's all fun and games, and I just hope to get a wave. It's looking pretty flat.
It was tough. I mean, it's knee high out there. You're trying to fly along the wave and do an air, but someone's punching big now.
Got Kersey. I think he's got it.
I think, it's hard to go past Owen because he always wins, but I reckon Chipper's the best out there.
Owen's going for a 3-peat, so he's going to be hard to stop, but there's a little rip bowl right over there with the northerly wind into it, so I think, it might favour the natural footers a little bit.
Jordy Smith has some huge moves. Stopping it all over the place. Let's see what he can do here. Yeah, look at him go. He's on fire, Josh Kerr. Josh Kerr.
Got him, here he is, fresh. 25 grand richer. Congratulations, Josh Kerr. What's going through your mind right now, my friend?
Oh, I'm just stoked. I've come to this event for a few years and I really have wanted to get the title, and I'm just wrapped. Finally the northerly came and it was good for natural footage, so I'm stoked.
Give it up for Josh Kerr.